Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about something really powerful. How calculus is employed in solving real engineering problems. Now, calculus is not just an abstract math subject, it's actually the language of engineering. Whenever engineers want to describe change, optimize systems, or model the real world, calculus is a tool that does the job. Let's start with differentiation. In mechanical engineering, for example, we often need to know how fast something is changing. If you are analyzing the velocity of a moving car, that's a derivative of its position. If you need acceleration, that's a derivative of velocity. Differentiation allows us to predict behavior, design safe braking systems, and even optimize fuel efficiency. Now, think about integration in civil engineering. Suppose we need to calculate the area under a curve to estimate water flow in a river channel, or the volume of material needed to construct a dam. Integration gives us precise measurement of irregular shapes and varying functions that simple geometry cannot handle. Another key application in an electrical engineering, current and voltage relationships in circuits are often modeled with differential equations. Using calculus, we can analyze how circuits respond over time, which is crucial for designing everything from smartphones to power grids. And don't forget optimization problems. Engineers constantly face questions like how do we design a beam that's strong but uses the least material, or how do we maximize efficiency in a turbine? By applying calculus to cost function or stress equations, calculus helps us find those maximum and minimum values that lead to the best solution. So the big takeaway is this: calculation is not just math, it's a decision-making tool for engineers. It allows us to model, analyze, and optimize the systems that keep the world running. If you are preparing for exams, remember this: when you solve that derivative or integral in your coursework, you are not just passing a test, you are practicing the same skills that real engineers use to design bridges, engines, and even space rockets. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like more solved examples and exam hacks, check out my Engineering Math Exam Companion ebook, link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more engineering math ebook coming shortly. Thank you very much.